rooftop.
Hello guys, good morning. It is Friday morning. I think literally all of my days are blending, so I have no idea what day it is ever. It's actually 12 right now. I kind of laid in bed for like 3 hours on TikTok, but I'm gonna make a coffee right now. I showed like a bunch of different coffees in the last couple of videos. People were asking how I make them. Usually in the morning I drink just hot coffee. I use my Keurig, this house blend by Starbucks, pop that in my Keurig and just add like a little bit of hot chocolate. I also made the TikTok coffee, like the whipped one. Look at what I'm trying to balance you guys on, like why. The whipped coffee is really good. Such a pain to make. So I'm just gonna make iced coffee. Actually, why did I just start the dishwasher? How do I stop this? Stop, stop, nope. That didn't work. Did I just open it? Ugh. Usually, I think I said this in a previous video, usually I like to start my mornings, especially if my boyfriend is still sleeping later than me. I like to start my mornings by like cleaning up a little bit, and it's usually just the kitchen because at night I'm really lazy after like cooking dinner and stuff and I don't want to like clean or anything. So the morning is definitely when I'm most productive. All right, these two have been my go-tos. Starbucks around here is like everywhere is closed. There's one, but the line is so long all the time, so might as well just make your own coffee at home. So I use this Starbucks iced coffee. This is the medium roast unsweetened. I pour in one of these little pint glasses. I like a lot of coffee. I pour probably like that much. So this is my new favorite. That's my dog outside. This is the Starbucks creamer in the caramel macchiato. So good. I don't know, this is just my favorite. I haven't tried any other ones, but I love caramel macchiatos from Starbucks. And I do, oh, I literally just got that everywhere. A little more than that. And I got my reusable straw, which before I put the ice in, I like to stir it up. Just because this creamer I find is so thick for some reason. It doesn't like to stir well, especially when the ice is already in there. So that is my coffee color. Literally, I'm such a klutz. I have my coffee and I'm going to edit a video. My plan for today, I have to do my laundry, which I've been avoiding. And I also have a ton of packages that I want to open. I say a ton, but it's probably like 5. And I have been holding off to do it on camera, and also because one of them contains like a kitchen organizer that I just didn't really want to put together, so I just didn't open it. I'm gonna try to get a little more organized. My Nana really didn't cook, so for the past year of me living here, I've just kind of been using her stuff to cook with because I like to cook a lot. I have my own like kitchen stuff that I've been keeping in the garage since I moved in here, so I've kind of been like transferring some of that over just so it's a little bit easier because like I said, my Nana didn't cook, so especially in this quarantine time, I have been cooking a lot, so I've been trying to also switch over some stuff like that. So, all right guys, it is now 4 o'clock. Just got off the phone. Oh, I'm so mad right now. I just got off the phone with Monica. I haven't seen her in forever. We just FaceTimed for like probably like an hour and a half. I came into my living room because I have a couple packages that I've been waiting to open, like I said. And one of my Amazon packages, after I got off the phone, before I got on the phone, it wasn't delivered. While I was on the phone, it must have gotten delivered. And it's not here, and I'm really, really upset because this might be the second time someone snatched a package and I don't know. I'm like really mad, I can't talk. I have this other Amazon package, which I've obviously been waiting to open. And while I just realized that this package was not at my doorstep, I think that another package from like a week ago might have gotten stolen and I didn't know because I just figured it was in this box, but it doesn't really make sense. I think I might just open these and figure this out. I'm really, really, really upset. Let's open the Amazon package first. I think everything's in here, except for what's in the package that supposedly just got delivered. Just because it's sent in 2 different orders, so I got really confused. I was like, I only got 1 box. This is so stupid. Okay, maybe they just clicked delivered and they haven't delivered yet, but maybe it'll be like within the hour. I'm hoping. Okay, so first thing I got, it's just a aerosol olive oil. It's because I have an air fryer, and I feel like even when I'm just roasting vegetables and stuff, I feel like I use too much olive oil. I feel like a sprayer would help me use a little less, be a little more healthy. I also got a bunch of Expo markers, super random, but I have a whiteboard like key hook in the kitchen, and I feel like it'll be easier to like communicate with my sister what I'm making for dinner if she wants some, or like what day trash day is. I've been needing one of these so badly. It's just a little spoon holder or like spatula holder for the stove, so the stove doesn't get super dirty. And then I think this is supposed to be my kitchen like pots and pan organizer, but it looks tiny. It's supposed to organize, oh yeah, it looks like a decent size. It's supposed to like fold out, organize. I thought you were a person, Libby, that scared the heck out of me. It's supposed to like fold out, and you can like stack your pots and pans more neatly. I also ordered this from Amazon, but this is from like it's not from Amazon, it's from like a local seller. I'll link all the stuff down below. This box is so confusing. Ah, why is this box so confusing to open? Okay, this is the company that I bought from. It's off Amazon. I needed a new body scrub because I have literally been using St. Ives to scrub my body with, and it's not okay. Make me a morning person face. Oh, it's for your face too. Face and body scrub. Whoa, that's very pepperminty. And then the last 2 boxes were purchased because my sister-in-law, she fuels my shopping addiction. I wanted to try this out for a really long time. She bought this, I saw on Snapchat, and she said it's amazing. And I've seen it all over Instagram, and I've been dying to try it, and it's been sitting on my couch for like a week. Ah, wait, that's so cute. Look at it. Oh, so it's just like a razor company. It's funny because I was literally just talking to Monica about how I don't ever use shaving cream, but I bought some with this order. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my gosh. So the reason why I bought all this stuff instead of just like going to Target and getting like razors and stuff, this company uses healthier products for your body. They're vegan, non-GMO. They also say they're gluten-free. I don't know why you would eat it, but if you have a really sensitive allergy to gluten, the actual razor. I'm such a sucker for like cute products. It's really bad. This is where I like spend most of my money. The next place my sister-in-law made me order from is Grove. They have all super organic, healthy cleaning supplies, or like healthcare, skincare, stuff like that. And they're super sustainable, and I'm excited to try them out. And they also wrote on my box, stay healthy, which is so cute. They were running this crazy deal, like a ton of stuff for free. So I'll show you guys what I actually paid for. So it's like a subscription, kind of like Daily Harvest, where you order stuff, you can redo your cart every month, like pick different stuff, or you can get the same stuff and it gets shipped to you, and it's all super cheap. And you can reschedule your shipments, which is nice. Just us 3 living in here, so I feel like we're not going to go through cleaning products like crazy. Know that these came in the order for free. They're the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. So I got the Method antibacterial toilet scrubber cleaner thing. I got this Honu gut check. It's like a probiotic digestive. I feel like I should be taking one of these. I feel like as you get older, you just should be taking care of your body more. I don't know, but got the Method stain remover, a white bed, and my dog gets it dirty very, very fast. All of this for free. Really excited to try this scent out. It's called Fresh Cut Grass, and honestly, fresh cut grass and mulch reminds me of my dad coming home from work because he used to own a landscaping company. Oh my god, it smells so good. I got hand soap, and all of the stuff matches, and it's really cute. Dish soap, which you can always use, and multi-surface everyday cleaner. So now that I have a mess around me and a bunch of cleaning products, I'm really mad about my package. I'll update you guys because that's not gonna be good. I'm so annoyed because now I have to deal with like calling Amazon. I'm also hungry. All I had today to eat, and it's like 5 p.m, is hummus and a little bit of Spanish rice. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I kind of just want a little snack, and then later I really want to be bad and order sushi. I'm just gonna cut up probably the rest of this watermelon, honestly, because I'm really hungry. Honestly, I've been super lazy and haven't done anything or organizing, so that might be tomorrow. Thought I really wanted sushi, but now I don't. And I don't want to just get it. You know, I want to save it for a time like I really want it. So I'm just gonna cook something here, but I don't know what to cook. Yeah, I just don't know what to make. I found these in my fridge and I'm so excited. This is what I'm making with pesto. I'm really pumped. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've eaten like just so unhealthy. Like, not that I ever eat super healthy, but I'm also going to make some Brussels sprouts. These are the shaved Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's. I hope they're still good actually.
Counter and stuff too. Big cleaning day. Obviously, I still have all those packages I need to put away. You saw. I'm gonna shower after this. So yeah, awesome.
I just put, this might be a lot of Brussels sprouts. I can have leftovers. I'm gonna spray some of that olive oil that I got today. Whoa, that comes out crazy. Whoa. Is that enough? I don't know. I can't really tell how much is going on there. And then my all-time favorite seasoning to add to like everything, which isn't that great, is garlic salt, but it's my favorite. Alrighty, here we have it. I'm so excited. I already started eating the Brussels sprouts. There's a whole lot of them. Into my room and watch One Tree Hill, which I have been re-obsessed with. I think I've watched this show like 3 times. Hi guys, was not gonna vlog today. It is the next day. Look how great I look. I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. Quarantine, sorry. I was just headed to Petco because I had to get some stuff for my dog. I have a driveway and I pull out and then I'm driving past the front of my house and I see a couple packages. And I was like, what are the odds that that's my package? Walk up closer, I got a Sephora package. And I also got my Amazon package, but it was already open. Like, I opened all of it because I just like didn't know what was happening, but it was, someone had opened my package and it was like refolded like that. I can't fold boxes. That's how it was, that's what was happening. I disinfected everything and everything's in there. It was all hair stuff, so I really think that the person that stole it was like bald or a guy and just didn't need this. Okay, oh jeez. For the Amazon package, I needed some of these like hair clip thingies. I don't have really any of the claws except for one that doesn't really have a grip on it, so I got these Revlon claw clips. I also got 2 things I saw off TikTok because I'm obsessed with TikTok. This one is the Hida hair scalp massage shampoo brush. This thing is just supposed to like help you get like, I don't really know what it does, I just saw it, like get dead skin off your scalp or massage your shampoo better into your scalp. It looked really fun, so I bought it. Hand, face, I feel like a legit beauty guru right now. And then I also got from TikTok the Fanola No Yellow shampoo, purple shampoo. A bunch of people have been raving about this and my hair is very brassy. I have not had my hair done since like September, honestly. Like, and then I made like a really small purchase on Sephora just because they were having the sale and it took literally forever for it to get here. Like, I was shocked. I went on there to order both of these things. I used to have this and then I lost it and my friend started raving about it, so I was like, I'm gonna buy that again. I'm pretty sure the first time it was sent to me, but this is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, and it's just like a lip balm in a little tube, and it is amazing. Also needed a really good hydrating moisturizer because my skin has been so dry, so I went with the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb, but this is their special limited edition aloe vera one. I'm excited. Oh, and then I also got this just because it was in the sale section. It was like $4 and I'm obsessed with face masks. This is the Sephora brand Mask Stick Nourishing Watermelon, but it looks so cool. I think I'm gonna do this tonight. So yeah, that's the ending of my Amazon stolen package. I can't believe that happened. I look like a mess, but thank you guys for watching. I forgot to film an ending clip to this video. I will see you guys in my next video. I think we just got a package. Bye.